Hello students, today we are going to consider application and interpretation standard level May 2025 exam. So have a look, let's go question by question, and the first question is about 3D geometry. Let's have a read. A metal structure on a flat surface is in the form of right pyramid with rectangular base ABCD and vertex H. Point A has coordinates and point C has coordinates. This is shown in the following diagram. Let's have a look at the diagram, and we see this is a pyramid with a rectangular base. Okay, so we have coordinates of 3 points, and let's have a read of the question. It says that in the center of the base, so G is going to be on the plane ABCD, and it says find the coordinates of G. So let's have a look at the point. So it is 2 points. So it's required 2 steps. Using the knowledge of finding the midpoint of 2 points, we have to use that formula for each coordinate. So G has a coordinate x minus 2 plus 1 divided by 2. So just let me underline where I took this number. Minus 2 here and 1 here. So it's all about the x coordinate. Now next coordinate is y, similar way, 0 plus 3 divided by 2, and the last one is 0 plus 0 divided by 2. And sure, we get the value of coordinates G minus 0.5, 1.5 and 0. So this is a coordinate of point G, which is midpoint of AC. So we know that the G is a midpoint. It's actually given also. Part B, write down the vertical height HG. HG, let me underline, this is a HG. If we will connect this is a HG. Okay, now we know the coordinates of point G, and we should use the formula of distance between 2 points. So HG is equal to square root of corresponding difference of corresponding coordinates. So negative 0.5 minus 0.5, which is this coordinate, yeah, just in case I will show by arrow, then I will delete it, plus 1.5 minus 1.5 squared. Yeah, for sure it's squared. Here also squared. And let me continue somewhere here. It's plus 5 minus 0 squared. Okay, so it is 0 plus 0 squared plus 5 squared under the root. So it is root of 25, which is simply 5. Okay, it could be noticed otherwise, in other way. You see that the coordinates of H and G differ only by y coordinate. So the remaining coordinates are the same. So that's why we can easily solve this. You see that they are equal to each other, and that's why we can deduce that the distance between H and G is simply 5. That is why it is given only 1 mark, which is pretty fair. Okay, and the last point, find the distance between C and H. C and H, this is actually not related to the previous steps. We can simply find the distance between C and H by using the same formula. So CH is equal to square root of negative 0.5 minus 1 squared plus 1.5 minus 3 squared and 5 minus 0 squared. So it's just things to simplify. Minus 1.5 squared plus minus 1.5 squared again, and plus 5 squared. We can use straightforward the calculator, and we will have the value of 29.5. It is approximately 5.431, and to three significant figures it is 5.43. This is the final answer. So that's how we get the another 2 points in this question. Okay, so the first question about 3D geometry is solved. See you in the next video about question 2.